Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Creations of D3. I am Dhriti and this is my YouTube channel where I show my love for music, DIYs, art, vlogs, makeup and whatnot. By the title of this video, you already know I gifted myself a good pair of shoes from Puma India. So let's get started to unbox the beauty. I have ordered this from Myntra and I haven't seen it yet, so this will be a first impression video. Let's unbox this. I am so excited. There is a huge elastic band. Okay, we have one more box from Puma. बट बॉक्स की हालत थोड़ा खस्ता है. I just love the gold detailing here and here for the Puma logo, and it is also embroidered here Puma in gray and off-white kind of a color. But this is just so good, and this is so lightweight, and I just love the shoes. Here is the second pair as well. Let's try it on.